Orange County, California. Manganese, iron, and organic material have left the Serrano Water District with lots of useless water. Until now, Irvine-based engineering company Sionix Corporation installed a portable water treatment facility at the Villa Park Dam. The system, the first of its kind, can cheaply and efficiently make the unusable water drinkable again, officials say. Sionix President Jim Houts took an old concept, ionization, and made it more efficient. Houts, who lives in Laguna Beach, created what is called the dissolved air flotation and membrane package water treatment. The water from the Villa Park Dam flows to the unit through something similar to a French drain. The water then flows into the vault, where it, using the pressure from the flow at the dam, it flows directly into the unit without the need of a pump. Is there a pump down there? This is the vault.
That's all gravity. See that
where the water flows directly to the unit through piping that will be later converted to 4-inch piping and teed back to the Villa Park Water District.
Which feeds these two pipes.
The dirty water flows from the vault around through piping directly into the Sionix unit. The water originally has too high a concentration of magnesium and iron that were too high for the Villa Park wastewater plant to treat. Actually, the county would not allow them to treat the water. Now, because of the Sionix unit, the water can flow directly to the water treatment plant from the Sionix unit. Here Jim Houts is explaining the flow of water through the Sionix DAF system. After the water flows through the entry, the mixing, and the stabilization tank and goes through the DAF process, it then flows into 2 garnet filters. These are the garnet filters into 12 UV lights per canister. So each canister on the right-hand side has 12 UV lights per canister for final treatment. Here you can see the UV lights. Here is the computer control of the entire system. You can monitor the pH, the flow rates, all from this computer, which is connected and can be monitored remotely. There's a direct connection to the computer which allows you to completely monitor the system remotely. This is the view of the filters from the computer. Now the flocculation tanks. This shows you the 3 tanks. First, where Jim Houts is standing, is the entry tank, which then the water flows into the mixing tank, where the coagulant and flocculant mix with the water. Then this goes to the stabilization tank, and then ultimately the material is scraped across, which we'll see shortly. remove the dense matter
You're not gonna bother me now. I'm not watching
as
the slides. Yep, go
the
that way. Listen
system
to John.
scrapes the water, the
I'm not using any of the sound
material
anyway.
that has concentrated at the top through the use of the flocculant and coagulant and the bubbles is being scraped directly to a patented conveyor belt system. This system utilizes only 3 gallons of water to clean all of the raw matter. You can watch as the raw matter is being pushed to the conveyor belt, where it can later be dried in a dryer. This material can then be used for fertilizer or can be burnt for power generation. The observation deck that we're watching has been built onto the system. The observation deck can be added on to any unit purchased. It allows you to look at and monitor the unit from above and to see the processes happen and the processes in action. This unique patented system allows the scraping device to flow backwards without disturbing the coagulant and the flocculant in the tank from restarting. Watch how the skimmer does not touch the water way back, allowing the flocculant continue to do its job and the bubbles to continue to flow up with more matter. After going through the flocculant tank and then the water flows through the filters, the gravel, the garnet filter, and the UV lights, it flows around the unit to the vault, back to the vault, where it will eventually tee into the water system that goes directly to the Villa Park wastewater treatment plant. The water produced from the unit is now free of the magnesium and high iron contents that made the water too contaminated. The device can be used as emergency water supply during natural disasters and also by developing nations, corporations, municipalities, and the military. Please contact Ann Diener with Raven Knight for more information about Sionix water treatment systems. The contact number is 1-760-945-4943 or see our website at www.ravenknight.com for more information.